Morning children, we are going to continue with the same poem in the Bazaars of Hyderabad written by Sarojini Naidu. In the third verse, the poet has asked a few questions to only one professional, that's the goldsmith. Let's give a start. Let's understand this very clearly. This particular verse is only dedicated to this particular group of professionals. Let's give a start. What do you make, O goldsmiths? Wristlet, anklet and ring. These are the very first three products we have come across from the houses of the goldsmith. Bells for the feet of blue pigeons, frail as dragonfly's wing. Previously, pigeons used to be employed for either receiving or sending messages, and there used to be a kind of bell attached at the feet of the pigeon so that the owner might track it better. And here in this very case, when you have got the existence of small little bell or bells, at least the poet wanted to bring this particular thought in our mind that the bells might be very small, very tiny, yet the level of perfection they could manage to attain is superb, because apart from being tiny, these bells are very delicate, because they have been compared to the dragonfly's wing. It is written as frail is delicate as dragonfly's wing. So it shows very clearly that the beauty of the bells is definitely there, that has definitely been retained. And not only that, the bells are tiny, but at the same time the aesthetic beauty that could be managed to retain was superb, was fantastic. The next line the poet says, girdles of gold for the dancers, scabbards of gold for the king. Girdles are kind of belt, and these belts, when it is made of gold, obviously it shows a sense of artistry, a kind of genius that these professionals could manage to attain in their profession and thereby in their productions. So definitely it enhances the beauty of the dancers. And when it comes to the last line, the scabbards of gold for the king, shows very clearly scabbards are the covers made either of leather or of any other metal, but in this case it's written gold. Definitely it shows very, very clearly that this particular group of people could manage to attain or could manage to create something that is spectacular, that is magnificent, and by virtue of their creations, their innovation, they could manage to uplift the profession.